Gempages Shopify tutorial, how to use Gempages for Shopify. So go ahead and open your browser. Make sure that you're logged in here. And then once you're in the Shopify homepage, click on the search bar and then type in Gempages. No results will show here since it is not yet connected to your account. So click on the search for Gempages in the Shopify App Store and you will then be directed into this new tab. If you guys don't know, Gempages is a plugin. It's a drag and drop page builder, so you can use it to create visual stunning, high converting, and SEO friendly pages of all types and purposes. This can be really helpful in designing your Shopify store. So click on this Gempages landing page builder. This one, the first one with the yellow, red, and blue in the icon. Here, click on the install app button and it will then add Gempages into your Shopify store. Now, once you are back to your Shopify tab, this is how your page will look like. Make sure that the Gempages is clicked and then go to create a new page. And as you can see, you can either start from scratch or you can choose among the available templates that you can edit here, which is obviously the easier and the faster route. So let's say this Halloween landing page. If you want this, then simply click on select. Another tab will open and this is where you can now customize the whole page. But going back to the templates page, you will see that there are available functionalities of landing pages. So let's say that you want a template for your homepage only. Click on this one and then the homepage templates will then show. Or let's say that I want to edit a collection page, then let's just choose that and then different templates will then show. Just choose here your desired landing page, or you can use the search engine to look for a specific template that you want to use that is not available in this part of the page. Okay, so now I'll choose a collection page template. By the way, you can use this eye icon if you want to view the page before using it as a template. Once you are in the editing page, you can now freely select on the element that you want to edit and customize. Starting off with the header or the top section, I don't want this part, so to remove it, click on that particular section and then a trash icon will appear here on the top. So simply click on it and that section will then be removed immediately. Now you can click on every element in the page to edit it. You can do it to text, images, and even section layouts. And once you click on each element, advanced settings will appear on the left part of the screen, and then from there, just adjust the settings based on your needs. So let's say I want to change this photo of a bag into a shirt. Click on this left side and then hover your mouse over the image. This change image will then show. Click on this one and then folders on your device will then show. And from here, just choose an image that you want to show on your collection page. Now, as you can see, the size and orientation of the page is kind of not fitting in this page. So we will be adjusting the size and shape of this one. To do that, scroll down into this tab and you will then see the settings for size. First one here is the shape. The current is the original one, which is most likely 4x3. So you can choose from square, vertical, and horizontal. Or if you want a certain size, you can choose the customized one and adjust the number manually. And then below is the alignment. So it's either left, center, or right. Now to edit the text, click on what text you want to change and then double click it to highlight the text. Press on the backspace on your keyboard and from here you can then input your own text. Then head to the left tab and this is where you can access additional settings. Under the Styles tab, you have the heading and paragraph options. So just browse and choose what you want under the Fonts tab. Now here, you can adjust the size of your text, the style, the color. Click on this eyedropper icon to select a color from your page. This will make your page more aligned to a theme or a color palette. Now the last is the Sections tab. Simply click on a single section and then layout or divisions on your section will now show. If you want to have 4 columns on your page, then just choose this. And then from here, just play around with the settings in here. Okay, so after editing the elements in your page, you can go back to the elements section to access the elements that is not in the current template that you chose. Here you can add text, and this one, which is missing on this template, the button. To add it on the page, drag it to where you want it to be, and then advanced settings will automatically appear. The first one is for the icon. So turn this on if you want an icon before the text on your button. Here are the settings for the text itself. Choose heading if you want a bigger one, and just the paragraph for a normal sizing. And then the font style, size, and then the alignment. Moving on to the advanced settings, you can choose its visibility on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So just turn this off if you don't want this button to show any certain device. And then these are pretty self explanatory, so just play around with the settings until you get the layout that you want. Now scroll down below, and here I just have the collection, and it is only showing one product since I only have one product listed on this Shopify account. But don't worry, since this will display different products if you have multiple listings. Now, once you're satisfied and done with your layout, you can move into this tablet mode just so you can check if all of your elements are seen and not cropped in other devices. And then after that, you can move on to the phone mode. Now, to publish this, click on this publish button, wait for it to load, and it will then immediately apply to your shop. So that is how to use Gempages for Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.